Abox is a manufacturer of office furniture. We work throughout the UK. We make desktops, pedestal storage units, freestanding storage, but we also specialise in wall storage, media wall. We're known for our service, excellent product and aftercare. My name is Hugh Davis. I'm Managing Director of Abox Storage Solutions. We established Abox in 2017. At that point, we were making the general office furniture, general storage. We were using traditional saws, low-end edge banders. Everything was very labour intensive. There was a lot of handwork involved on the bench, very slow going through production. Now, since we've developed Abox, we decided to work with Biesse. So what we have at Abox in our manufacturing plant consists of a beam saw, Steam A edge bander. We have a twin head Skipper 130 drilling machine, a single head Skipper V31 and a Rover A Edge. We see that as our extra man. The panels can go onto the machine, we can load the programs, the operator presses the button and he can wander off to do another operation. They love them because basically they're doing the work for them. One of the major advantages of using Biesse machines are their batch one capabilities. The way that Abox works with its customers, we take on their brief, we then produce 3D concepts and solutions for them. That 3D then is seamlessly taken into our machinery. When we first started the machine, it was almost like rocket science to us. You know, it is quite difficult to really get our heads around it, but we've had a lot of training with Biesse. We recently visited Daventry at one of their open days, and we saw that one of the new saws being exhibited there, so that's in my target. Biesse are a one-stop shop for your machinery.